Have a self-driving car that always takes the scenic route. Or have flying car with constant traffic jams. Only be able to communicate through future slang. Or have everyone think your thoughts are hilarious memes. Always have the latest tech, but it breaks every month. Or use reliable, outdated tech, always 5 years behind. Live in a smart home that's always slightly glitching. Or live in a regular home with no advanced technology. Visit Mars for a week, knowing you can't return. Or never leave your hometown for the rest of your life. Have a robot assistant that is brutally honest. Or have a robot assistant that's always overly optimistic. Only eat lab-grown food for the rest of your life. Or never use the internet again for rest of your life. Have to wear augmented reality glasses constantly. Or only be able to read physical books, not e-books. Only listen to music created by AI. Or only watch movies directed by AI. Have your brain uploaded to the cloud after you die. Or not have your memories kept or preserved in any way.